you may get a warning showing up on the dashboard, as you can see here. This one's a Sidelight, and you can see once I've gone out to investigate, one of the bulbs has failed, so I need to replace it. So as you've seen, the Sidelight has failed on my Passat and I need to replace the bulb. Unfortunately, when you look to the access, it is right in the corner there, which means it's virtually impossible to actually get there with your hand. Your arm just can't bend far enough round. So there's a couple of different options. One is to remove the headlight by removing the bumper. That's obviously quite a big job to do. The other option is if you twist or turn the wheel in and get access to the wheel arch liner, you can actually remove the wheel arch liner here, which will give you access to the back of the headlight. There are two Torx screws that need to be removed. They're T25, so one here and one here, and possibly one at the top that needs to be removed as well, but we'll see once I actually get these out if we can move the arch liner enough. To remove the wheel arch liner, you need a Torx T25. I have a set of these. They're all quite useful for different sizes on the various different VW cars. You just need to remove these. Once you release them, then the arch liner should come. You can then peel back the wheel arch liner and unclip it from inside the wheel arch to be able to get access. And we can then see in here. You can just see the bulb has popped out there. Literally it's just a case of pulling it out from the rear of the cluster, and the bulb holder unit will come out, and we can then just get the bulb out of there and put the new one in and refit it. The bulb you need for this is a W5W. It may also be known as an E2 from the reference on the side of it. Once you've refitted the bulb into the holder and pushed the holder into the rear of the light cluster, then remember to put the plastic cover or the rubber cover back on to protect the back of the bulb from getting moisture. Having fitted the bulb and the bulb holder back in place and put the rubber cover back on, last job is just to refit the wheel arch lining. You just need to clip it underneath the edge here, and we can then refit the two screws to hold the arch liner in place. Once the new bulb's in place and everything is put back together, we can then test it, and as you see, the bulb is now working.